welcome to a new video, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can solve generate parenthesis question very efficiently if this question comes up in your interview. So before starting the video, you can subscribe my channel. Here you can see a lot of frequently asked question I have solved and uploaded that to the LeetCode. You can go through it. If you have any doubt, you can tell me, and you can also subscribe my channel. So let's start the video without wasting any time. Here what is given to us? We have been given n. N means number of closing, or you can say number of opening parenthesis. So this is parenthesis. So here you can see we have one closing and one opening parenthesis here. Similarly, we have to create three closing parentheses, three opening parentheses. That is our question, and the parenthesis which we are creating should be well formed. Like it is also written, it should be well formed. Well formed means it should be in a proper manner. It should not be like this. It should not be like we are doing this and then doing this. Okay, it should not be like this. The parenthesis should be well formed. That also we need to handle. So let's solve this question. I will be using recursion to solve this question, but exactly the logic is same if you are using any other programming languages also. So what I will do, I'll just write const here, and then I'll write let answer equals to this, because at last what we have to do, we have to return an array of combinations. So let me simply return my answer. So I can write a function const create parenthesis. Okay, and what it will take, it will take what is our current string, how much open parenthesis we have added to our string, and how much closed parenthesis we have added to our string. That things it will take. Okay, so let us first call this recursion function. Initially we'll have our string as empty, opening will be 0 and closing is 0, because you can see right now our string is empty and there is no opening and no closing parenthesis. Okay, so what I will be doing, so in a recursion function, what we have to do, first of all, we have to handle the breakout case when we will exit from the recursion, or we have to write the base case. So here what will be our base case? Whatever n is given to us, like if n is 3 and we are able to make the string of length 2 times of that n, at that time we can simply exit from the loop, right? So I can simply write if string dot length equals to 2 times of n. Okay, because n I'll get it here. If that is the case, then simply return, but at the time of return, please push whatever string you have, just push it into the answer array, so that I will get my string. Means whenever we want to exit from this recursion, at that time, what we are doing, whatever string we have, I want to push it into this answer array. Okay, and what we have to do, we can check if my open means opening count, like right now it is 0, but in recursion it will proceed. If I'm checking here, if my open parenthesis count is less than n, then what you do, then simply what you do, you call this recursion function again, but this time our string whatever is there, just add a opening parenthesis to it, and whatever is open, just add 1 to it, and close remains the same. Okay, and after creating this, we should not compare our close with n. We should compare based on this open, like our close number of closed parenthesis equals to number of open parenthesis. So we can check here, if open is greater than close, then what you do, then simply whatever the string is, just do it like this, add a closing parenthesis, then open remains the same, but close this time will increment to 1. Okay, this is what will solve our answer. So if I run it, you can see we have successfully passed these 2 test cases. If I submit my answer, you can see it bits 41% and 8 test cases have been passed. So if you understood my approach, then please subscribe my channel, and I will be creating a complete recursion playlist. You can go through it. Okay.